Welcome to my channel Accounts Accuracy. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel because it motivates me to make some more videos for you. Today, let's study about historical cost concept. Actually, historical cost concept tells us that transactions which are recorded in books of accounts, they are recorded at their cost price. That means the price at which they are actually purchased. Suppose if this tractor will be purchased at the rate of 80,000, that means it will be recorded in the books of accounts at 80,000. The day on which it was purchased, the cost was 80,000. Even though the price of the tractor will keep changing as per market price, but it would get recorded every year after deducting the depreciation at the rate of cost price only. The depreciation value may be deducted, but that will be calculated only at 80,000. Suppose if the market price of the tractor may be 1 lakh in subsequent years, or it may go to 60,000 in following years, it may go down or it may go higher. Market price keep on fluctuating, but the recording of the amount of tractor would always be 80,000, and year by year only the depreciation of the tractor would be calculated, and that too will be done on 80,000, that is the cost price of the tractor. In subsequent years, the basis of accounting will always be 80,000. So you might have understood that asset get recorded at cost price at the time of purchase, but its value get reduced year after year, charging depreciation. The market value of asset may change over a period of time, but is always shown in the books of accounts at book value, that is cost minus depreciation. It hardly matters that market value go more or less than the cost price, but the asset will always be recorded at cost price in the books of accounts. Only the value get reduced year after year, charging depreciation. The cost principle also has an advantage that it brings objectivity into accounts. The final statement is not influenced by any personal or biased judgment of the accountant. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button.